In this question, we have to find the integration of 1 by sine square x into cos square x. So instead of writing 1, you will write it as sine square x plus cos square x. Why? Because sine square x plus cos square x, that is equal to 1. So here you will write sine square x plus cos square x, and in denominator you will write sine square x into cos square x and dx. So if I will bifurcate, or we can separate the value, you will write as sine square x upon sine square x into cos square x dx, plus here you will write cos square x upon sine square x into cos square x dx. Cos square x will get cancelled. Sine square x and sine square x will get cancelled. You will get here that is sec square x dx. Plus here you will write cos sec square x dx. Sec square x can be written as tan x, and cosec square x can be written as minus of cot x plus of c. So this is the answer that you will get.